What is our Finishing Touches service? Well, our Finishing Touches is a no-charge service offered by Beyond the Stage Homes exclusively. With this, a Beyond the Stage Homes team member will return immediately prior to listing photos in order to assist with any final prep to ensure that those photos will really show off all of your hard work. Now, this service takes approximately 15 to 20 minutes to complete and does not include full staging services. However, we will make some adjustments to prepare for photos, such as refolding towels and ensuring that beds are made properly. If further home staging services are required above and beyond our Finishing Touches service, we will provide those at approximately the same time. Be sure to contact Beyond the Stage Homes once your photographs are scheduled to arrange this service. Now, one thing I should mention is this service does only apply to our premium and our executive occupied home staging consultation packages.